In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fundamental design patterns in software development, the singleton pattern, and how to implement it in Flutter. Firstly, what is singleton? A singleton is a design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance throughout the entire application. No matter how many times you try to create it, it will always get the same object. You can think of it like a single shared instance, a single source of truth. So when exactly should you use a singleton in Flutter? These are the use cases: caching data like API responses, app-wide services like analytics, logging, or network service, shared settings or configurations, managing user sessions or authentication token. Alright, let's take a look at how to create a singleton in Flutter Dart language. So here I have created an empty app config class. First step, create a private constructor using _internal method. Second step, create a single static instance from the private constructor. Lastly, create a public getter to access the instance. For tutorial purposes, I will just add a sample field for this class. Now we have completed creation of a singleton class. Let's use the singleton inside Flutter app. So in my elevator button, firstly, I will create an instance of app config class. Then, set the field to a random value. Next, I will create another instance and print the new instance field value. Let's try it out in the emulator. So when I click on the elevator button, you can see that the new instance returned the updated field value instead of the default value. Notice how changing the value in one place affects it everywhere. That's the power of singleton. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.